Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to see saved videos on TikTok. If we want to save a video on TikTok and have it appear in the favorites category, we will go to the video we want and click the save icon. A notice will appear that it has been saved. Then, to find those saved videos, we will go to our profile. After that, we scroll down and we will see in one of the categories the favorites category. Here you can see the saved videos. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.